Now, you guys might recall this brand in front of me, Caviar. I featured them in the past. They make these outlandish smartphones, Project Tesla, solar-powered iPhone. Okay, this one is crazy for a different reason. Maybe I should just show you, and you can determine for yourself. I will say, like a lot of their products, this thing is ultra luxury. We are saying goodbye to practicality. We're gonna enter a dream world of expensive, it's for people who have everything. Now, you're watching this. Maybe you're not gonna buy one. Maybe not today. But maybe you're a future billionaire. And when you get that kind of dough, you get really confused. You're like, I can't just have an iPhone. I gotta have a Caviar royal gift. I got billions. You can't do that with a regular iPhone. How much would you need to buy something like this? Well, starts at $6,300. Chances are you got a lot more than that if you're thinking about spending $6,300 on a smartphone. Holy smokes, look at the packaging. This slides out. I mean, I just want to keep it in the case. I want to buy it just for the case. Is this leather? I mean, it feels like... That's leather. I'm nervous to open it up. Of course I have to. It's kind of the point of the show. Here we go. What? This thing is nuts. If you are using this thing, you go to a nightclub with a phone like that, don't you? People are gonna notice you. This guy is so rich, his phone looks like a fine watch. Is it an actual watch? Is that ticking right now? What is going on? Oh my goodness. Holy, wow, it's a legit winding watch on the back of your phone. What is this made out of, Will? Custom engraved blackened titanium. Caviar luxury phones on a side, limited edition, number 3 of 99. It says it's an iPhone XS, titanium, and 24 karat gold. Wow. Some paperwork, international warranty, certificate of authenticity, like all of their other products, as you can see here. It's got the stamp of approval, the designer's signature. Wow. When you have it written out, the warranty is written in pen, you know you just spent dollars, you spent money. The headset, I'm guessing, oh yeah. What? Look at the SIM tool! What is that, a swordfish or something? I've never seen a SIM tool that cool before. Of course, there's a headset as well, a lightning cable, power brick. Yes, you have to have that. Okay, now I realize that this is probably tough for you to appreciate. The carvings and the detail is actually really impressive here. As you know, the number of moving parts, like in this type of setup, you can see all the various little cogs and things in there. It's like the old tech meeting the new tech. It's obviously completely insane. That's the point of it, guys. If someone is to see it, they absolutely have to ask you about it. It has to be a conversation starter. It's not really meant to be practical. You have the time on the phone, obviously. I have number 3. That means there's 98 of them out there. Who are these 98 people? Imagine you have a meeting with a guy. You walk in, Jack? Have a seat, yeah. Go ahead. Yeah, have a seat. God, hey. Okay, yeah, we'll pick it up later. I know this guy, you know, interrupting, I know. Okay, bye. Go ahead. What? Go ahead. You can't have a meeting with a guy like that. You already lose. You're about to be in a negotiation. The guy's over here. You lose the negotiation. You pay everything. You get nothing. Jack, guy like you, in Russia, you meet a guy like that? In Russia, you're dead. Guy like you. You know what they do to a guy like you? Huh? They put lipstick on a guy like you. Don't you dare cut that out. Based on ETA Unitas 6498-1, modified mechanics with manual winding, 17 stones, makes 18,000 vibrations per hour, and the power reserve is 30 hours. Through winding this clock, yes, manually winding it, you charge up the internal components and grant yourself 30 hours of power reserve. A 256 gigabyte iPhone XS, which is already expensive to begin with. So keep that in mind. I mean, if you do the math there, then in reality, this thing's only like $6,000 instead of $7,000. Look, it's gonna be a tough justification, all right? Half the videos on this channel, I'm like, look for value in your smartphones. This is not it, but this ain't trying to be. This is screaming in your face. It's saying, take me home. You have too much money in your pocket. You're rich, and you need me. If you're one of the 99 people who paid $7,000 for one of these, you can come on this show, and you can tell the world what it is that you do for a living. That you can rock one of these, like this, and you can host meetings, and you can have Jack there. And shut him down before he says a word.